Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate agent collaboration with Slack, detailed guide step by step clearly. To automate agent collaboration with Slack, start by creating a Slack workspace if you don't already have one. Visit slack.com and click on Get Started for free. Follow the prompts to create your workspace, including entering your email and setting up a password. Once you're in your workspace, familiarize yourself with the interface. Now, let's create a channel for your agents. Click on the plus icon next to Channels on the left sidebar. Choose Create a Channel and give it a relevant name, like Agent Collaboration. Set the channel to either private or public according to your needs. Next, invite your agents to join the channel. This can be done by clicking on Invite People and selecting their names. With the channel set up, it's time to integrate with other tools. Navigate to the Slack app directory by clicking on Apps in the left sidebar. Search for the tools you use for collaboration, like Trello, Asana, or Google Drive. Click on the desired app and select Install. Follow the installation prompts to connect the app to your Slack workspace. Once integrated, set up notifications for important updates from these apps. You can customize the notifications to ensure your team stays informed. Now, let's create a simple automation using Slack's Workflow Builder. Click on your workspace name in the top left corner and select Tools. Then click on Workflow Builder. Start a new workflow by clicking on Create. Choose a trigger for the workflow, such as New Channel Member. For example, send a welcome message to new members or notify the team. Save your workflow and activate it. The automation will now run whenever a new member joins. To enhance collaboration further, consider using Slackbot. Slackbot can send reminders and answer frequently asked questions. Go to Preferences and then Slackbot to set it up. Create custom responses based on common queries your agents may have. Next, encourage your team to utilize Slack's search feature. This will help them find past conversations and resources quickly. Finally, monitor the collaboration efficiency. Regularly check the channel and the response rates to ensure everything is smooth. Make adjustments as necessary based on team feedback. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.